You can't do property management and not deal with repairs. And getting to know who exactly is responsible for a given maintenance issue is not an easy task. So for a lot of us that are in property management, or for anyone that is dealing with a property management team, you realize that sometimes it's very hard for a team member or one of your staff to decide on who is actually covering the cost, because you can't just always go to the landlord expecting them to cover these costs. Most costs are going to be borne by the landlord, yes, but in some cases there are going to be those costs that are on the tenant, especially if they are repairs. So the general rule of thumb here is that if it is wear and tear, or if it is part of the general structure of the property, then it's a landlord cost. And then if it is a result of misuse, or it is caused by damage from the tenant, and then that is actually a tenant cost, so it is on them. So you can quickly sieve or start to run these repairs and these issues that come up through a simple sieve. You ask yourself, is it part of the property or is it a permanent installation? If it's part of the property, a permanent installation, that is usually a landlord cost. 2, was it caused by age, weather, or wear and tear? So is it because the property or that specific thing is old? If it is, then it is a landlord cost. If it's not, if it was new and you can see it is clearly damaged, then someone might have caused that damage, and it's usually the tenant that is occupying that unit. And then 3, is it a shared service like plumbing, like a roofing? If it is something that is shared, like part of the structure, that is going to be a landlord cost, because you can't put the whole thing onto one person. It would just be unfair. And then number 4 is, was it caused by carelessness or a guest, or was it just damaged by the tenant themselves? That one is actually like a real red flag that you should just see. If it was caused by the tenant, there is no reason as to why you should go to the landlord and ask them to make that repair. So I hope this makes it easier for you to discern which kind of repairs are landlord costs and then which kind of repairs are tenant costs. Even for you as a landlord, or for someone that is managing stuff that are supposed to be your property managers or are your boots on the ground, let's say they are caretakers, before they come to you with these issues, just run them through this decision criteria. Let's say if they can't really tell if it's something that is going to be a landlord cost or a tenant cost, just let them go through it. Is it part of the building or a permanent installation? Is it caused by age, wear and tear, or weather? Is it a shared space like plumbing or roofing? And was it caused by carelessness, or was it damaged by the actual tenant? So I hope this helps. Otherwise, I'm Raymond from Thralty Services Limited, and I'll see you in the next video.